Yo, good morning. It's your dog, Mr. Ain't It Man. And this is the first entry. So much for that. This is the first entry, man, of 2023, man. If you're viewing this, if you're able to see this, Happy New Year, man. You made it another year. You unlocked another chapter, man, of your life. So, man, let's man, be grateful, be thankful. You know what I'm saying? Give thanks to whoever it is that you give thanks to. And yeah, man, let's move smooth like that, man. Let's try to guide ourselves, man. You know what I'm saying? Equip ourselves with the knowledge needed, man, to progress and elevate in life. All 2023, man. But yeah, your dog, man, I've been here cooking breakfast again, man. See what's going on. Bam. Got some old pancakes over there, man. Over here somewhere. And yeah, we finna get this day started, man. So, like I said, Happy New Year. I don't know when this video gonna go up, because I still got some videos from 2022 that I ain't posted yet, which I'm about to get on that now. But yeah, y'all go ahead and sit back, man, and enjoy this video, man. I think I got a couple exciting things going on today. Well, not too exciting, but you know, daily life stuff. So, that being said, man, go ahead, strap your seatbelt on, man. You know what I'm saying? Get whatever you need, man, and relax yourself. And yeah, let's get it, dog. So, y'all, man, I know y'all about sick of me, man. Damn. I know y'all about sick of me, cause I ain't been doing no recording. Hold on, man, I just had a malfunction. I had a malfunction on my tripod, man. Alright, man, I ain't been having no motion, man, with the YouTube, man, as far as me recording or whatever. Always in this truck, man. But, man, sitting out here in Arkansas, man, in the fields, man. Y'all see what's going on? You see this old pretty Pete over there? Damn. I just blew an airbag. I bet you that's what they were. Hold on, y'all. Yep. So I'm glad I decided to pick up my camera, cause that's exactly what happened. Blew a damn airbag. Hopefully the other one don't blow. But yeah. So they probably gonna send somebody out here to fix it, cause I don't know about this one. That ain't gonna be a good. I don't think this gonna be good. Ah, shit. But yeah, I guess shit happens, I guess. So I'm gonna sit here and let them unload it, I guess. And matter of fact, yeah, cause I'm kind of losing air pressure. I might need to. Well, I'm gonna let them unload it and shit. See if I can get back up this little hill right here. I'm on a little hill. See if I can get back up this little hill. They probably gonna send somebody here to fix this, man, if I'm dropping air like that, cause it's losing air just sitting here. And I ain't losing it a lot, but that hand done moved since I've been sitting here. So yeah. See how this goes. They unloading it now, so see how this go, and they're gonna have to send somebody out here, man. I don't think I feel comfortable getting back on that road with
Cause it's gonna lose air. It's gonna shoot through that airbag, that open airbag. I would think. I ain't never experienced that, so I don't know, but yeah. Well, y'all, in the midst of it all, I'll still be able to get y'all some little footage, man. Look what's pulling in here. I think these are Dusters. Plymouth Dusters. I think. Yep. Plymouth Duster. Man, he would pull up her hating, man. Man, hate. He got two of them done. He got one right here and one right here, so I'm assuming it's for her to pause car. Y'all forgive me with this camera, man. It's been a while. Yeah, I'm assuming that the green one is the pause car. The red one. I'm sitting over here in Earl, Arkansas. And yeah. I ain't getting out to record because it is cold. Man, it's cold like that, boy. Yeah, that boy got him like he finna start on something. Like that. Y'all know I love that, man. Watch this truck. I don't know what year they are. Y'all know I love to see stuff like that right there. Get my creative juices flowing. Just thinking about what he gonna do to it, what it's gonna look like. Let me get back on this road though. I'll hit y'all in a minute. Man, there's a house up here somewhere. I don't even remember where that's on it. I gotta get it on camera though because the house is like a country type house, but it's so cold. Man, that junk so cold. But yeah, man, I'm riding and I think that's it up here. Yep, it's up here. Riding, watching my dog sitting that Chevy, boy, man. Coming back up 40. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Dang, I hope y'all be able to see it. I know I can see it good from the other side. Oh, you can eat crab leg. Is that it? Nah, that ain't it. Is that it? Nah, dang. It's right here somewhere. I'll pick the camera back up, man, once I catch this once I see it. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna see it before I nope, that ain't it either. Hope I ain't passed. But yeah. I'll pick the camera back up when I get back to it. Here it go right here, y'all. They got the green looking roof on it. Like a regular house, right? I look at the back. It's another house back there. That's the garage. So upstairs to the garage and everything. Carport. That's cold, man. I like that. See that type of house right there, man. The next house I get. Make sure it's on them acres. I already see what I want to do with my garage. Like I'm gonna have my garage on the house, and the man cave gonna be the garage that's in the backyard. And I want it to be an open concept. Pull my cars in, and you can look straight up and see in the loft area. That's where everybody gonna be chilling at. So the couch is gonna be the TV, all that right there, all this stuff. Well, it's gonna be TVs down in the shop part too, the garage part too. I want it to be, man, walk upstairs. I can go up there and take me a nap if I want to. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever. You know what I'm saying? get on back to the yard. Get on back around this way, man, because this truck been giving me the blues, man. I showed y'all what happened to the truck, so go ahead and take it on back to the house. And I'll hit y'all up when I get back, man. Let y'all know I made it safe.